In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho Desk. Dashboards are an incredibly powerful tool for visualizing your data, making it easier to understand and share important insights with your team. Whether you're looking to track support tickets, evaluate team performance, or understand customer feedback, dashboards in Zoho Desk can help you achieve all that and more. First, let's dive into Zoho Desk and locate the Analytics module. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating visual representations of your support data. Once you're in the Analytics module, keep an eye out for the Dashboards tab. This will be your gateway to organizing and displaying complex data in a way that's visually accessible and easy to interpret. With the Dashboards tab open, you're ready to start the exciting process of building a new dashboard. Look for the option that says Add Dashboard and go ahead and click on it. This is your starting point, from which you can craft a dashboard tailored to your specific needs. Now that you've initiated the creation of a new dashboard, you'll want to think about what specific data matters most to you and your team. Consider the metrics that impact your operational success daily. Having a clear intention will guide you in selecting the right components to include. As you build your dashboard, remember that customization is key. You have a plethora of widgets and components at your disposal. You can choose from various chart types, data tables, and summary views. Take each option and think about how it can best represent the data you are interested in. For example, if you're tracking ticket response times, a line chart could effectively highlight trends over time. Once you've selected a component, place it in your dashboard and start configuring it to reflect the exact data points you want showcased. You'll have options to customize data sources and filtering criteria, giving you the flexibility to hone in on the details that matter most. After configuring your components, take a step back and review your dashboard's layout. The flow and hierarchy of information should make logical sense and not overwhelm the viewer. If necessary, you can rearrange your components by simply clicking and dragging them to their new positions. This interactive customization ensures your dashboard remains user-friendly and intuitive. Finally, give your dashboard a meaningful name that fully encapsulates its purpose and is recognizable at a glance. This step is crucial for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to create multiple dashboards over time. Once everything looks perfect, save your dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully created a visually compelling and insightful dashboard in Zoho Desk, ready to assist you in making data-driven decisions effortlessly. Remember, dashboards are not static, and you can continue to tweak and adjust as your business needs evolve. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.